Hello and welcome to BABAKAY'S kitchen. Today we're going to be cooking egusi soup. Egusi soup is a famous dish from Nigeria, and I'm going to show you all how to cook it. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and thank you all for watching. For today's ingredients, we're going to be using Nigerian palm oil, 2 medium-sized onions, 2 medium-sized bell peppers, 2 habaneros, a bag of chopped spinach. Here I have a mixture of turkey, goat meat, and beef. I have codfish here, Caribbean fish seasoning, egusi, crayfish, knorr seasoning, and green seasoning. Most of the ingredients here you'll find in the African store, any African store close to you. So now we're gonna start cooking. So now we're gonna season the meats. So I'm gonna use a little bit of the knorr seasoning. A little bit of the green seasoning. I'm gonna mix it together. And I'm gonna let it sit before I put it to boil. So now I'm gonna be seasoning the fish with some of the fish seasoning. The rest of the green seasoning. I'm gonna season this up and I'm gonna steam it and put it in the oven so it dries down a bit. So now I'm gonna put the meat to boil. About half a cup of water. Some sliced onions for flavor. So I'm gonna cover this and let it cook medium heat. So I'm gonna steam the fish. I'm gonna steam it on medium heat for about 5 minutes, and I'm gonna put it in the oven to dry up. A quarter cup of water. So I just added all the vegetables to my blender. The bell pepper, onion, and habanero. I'm gonna add some of the crayfish, a little bit of water. I'm gonna start blending. I'm gonna turn the meat off now. It's been cooking for about 30 minutes. I'm also gonna turn the fish off now. I'm gonna put both of them in a pan and put it in the oven. And I'm gonna broil it so I can dry them down a little bit so I'll be able to use them for cooking. So I'm gonna broil the meat now instead of frying. I feel it's a healthier way. So I'm gonna fry the bell pepper, onion blend. I'll put about half a cup of oil. So I'm gonna put the chopped up onion. That's about half a medium sized onion. And let it fry in the oil. Add my seasoning. So now I'm gonna add the blend. I'm gonna let it fry for about 10 minutes. Okay, it's been frying for about 10 minutes now, so I'm gonna add the egusi. So I'm gonna let it fry for about 3 more minutes. You have to keep on stirring till it gets like a paste, and you know you're almost there. So it's been frying for about 3 minutes, so I'm gonna add the water now, the hot water. A quarter of a cup. I'm gonna add a little bit of the stock from the meat. Now I'm going to cover and let it cook for about 5 to 8 minutes. Now I'm going to add the meat, which was broiled already. So I'm gonna stir it up. Let it cook for about 10 more minutes. It's been about 5 minutes into the cook. I'm gonna put the vegetable on, the spinach. I'm gonna stir it up and I'm gonna let it cook for 5 more minutes and the soup will be ready. Meantime, my wife is gonna start doing the Pounded-Yam, which is gonna go with the dish.
Okay, so for the Pounded-Yam, we're gonna bring 2 cups of water to a boil. Okay, the water has been boiling for about 5 minutes. Now we're gonna add the Pounded-Yam to the pot. Start cooking, and we're gonna get ready to start doing a little stirring. Reduce the fire to medium. Add a little water to it. Stir it up. A little wrist work to it. All of it is mixed in well. So now you want to make sure that it doesn't have any lumps in it, that it is mixed well. Okay, so now the Pounded-Yam is ready. Cook time is about 5 minutes. And thanks for watching on how to fix Pounded-Yam.
It's been cooking now for about 10 minutes. Total cook time for this dish about 1 hour. And this is my finished dish, Pounded-Yam and Egusi Soup. Happy Independence Day, Nigeria. It's one of our most favorite dishes. And thank you all for watching, and hit the like and subscribe button.